One of the things we get asked a lot in the showroom is which way should I run my floorboards? Now there's no hard and fast rule to this, but there are some really important things to consider when choosing board direction. Now these are in no particular order and you cannot always tick every box, but some of the things to look at are when you open your front door to your property, it's nice to have the floorboards running away from the front door. It elongates the room and also makes your home look bigger. Another thing to look at is light source. So for example, glass sliding doors or windows in your unit, if you have light coming in through those sources, it's good to run the boards towards the light source rather than against it. And another key thing is hallways. It's great to have long boards down your hallways. It's aesthetically more pleasing than running short boards down your hallway. Now you can't achieve every single thing every single time, but these are some of the things that are quite important to think about when choosing which way to lay your floorboards.